Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUDCAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. As you can see, I am in the 4 hours time frame and this is the chart of AUDCAD. Okay, if you look at the chart, then there is no denial, no doubt about the trend of the market. Market is in clean downtrend. Okay, market is in clean downtrend. And we can see that whenever market was trying to go up, okay, it was getting resistance from the 50 moving average and it was coming down. And to be honest, we have made good amount of money because I have already shared in my previous videos when we got good opportunities to short the market here and here. And today again I'll be saying that we have got the opportunity again, because if you can see, market is standing at their resistance again. Okay, so this is a very good opportunity to short the market, is not it? But before going further, I would like to tell you a few things. Okay, there is no doubt that market is in downtrend. Okay, and as I always say, trading in a trending market is always easier in comparison to sideways market or range bound market. And as I always say, you should always look for the area of value. Okay, area of value is nothing but the best trading spot or the best trading opportunity. In an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity is always near the support, and the best shorting opportunity in a downtrend market like this is always near the resistance. And right now we can see that market is just standing at the resistance. Okay, but market is in downtrend for a long period of time, so market is heavily oversold. So do not expect that market will be falling sharply or market will be giving you big moves. Okay, because see, you can already see that I have a line drawn here and I also have a level here. This level belongs to the weekly chart. I'll be showing you right now. Okay, I'll be showing you right now. This level belongs to the weekly chart and this is the support from the weekly chart. Okay, let me show you. This is the weekly chart of AUDCAD and you can see that market has got support at this level, and the support or resistance from the weekly chart or from any higher time frame is very important. Okay, and these are the levels that we should not mess with, and this support level is also extremely important. And as I already mentioned, market is heavily oversold. That's why do not expect much and be careful because the market is coming down for a long period of time. Okay, so you need to be careful also. So nothing much to say here. Okay, as you can already see, market is in downtrend and already standing at the resistance. So wait for one or two candles more and just try to see how the price is doing, because see, you can already see that market is mm, having price rejection from a price is getting rejected from above. Okay, and for the confirmation, wait for another candle. If market forms a red candle like this, okay, if the next candle is a red candle like this, or another another candle with price rejection from above, or a shooting star kind of a pattern, okay, then we'll get a confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance. The 50 moving average, which is providing resistance or not allowing the market to go up for a long period of time, is still a valid one, is still a valid resistance, and you can short the market. Right now market is standing at a resistance. Stochastic RSI is almost in our favor. Okay, it will be going down again. Okay, so wait for one or two candles and just try to observe the price. If market reverses, then you can short the market. So nothing much to say here. Okay, just wait for one or two candles only. In case it goes up, okay, in case it goes up and crosses this 50 moving average, then also do not go ahead and buy. Do not go ahead and buy like a blind trader. Okay, what you need to do here, okay, again you need to observe and wait for the market to cross this 50 moving average. In case market crosses the 50 moving average right now, okay, then also do not buy. Wait for the market to cross the 50 moving average. When it will be crossing the 50 moving average, then you can short the market. But still do not buy. And in case the next in case the next candle is a red one, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, market will about to go down. Okay. This is the simple analysis and strategy for AUDCAD. And do remember one thing, in case you short the market, then this will be your first target. This black line or this low is your first target, 0.9297. Okay, this will be your first target. In case market crosses this level, then you can target for this level. This is your target 1 and this is your target 2, and you must exit by target 2. That's it. So this is the analysis for AUDCAD and strategy that you can follow for AUDCAD. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.